The flare.
Andy, where's your point?
Right next. That was like a really steep foot jam, I'm not gonna lie. Just a whore in general.
Yeah, you're doing it on a really hard.
Oh, where was the Smith?
Oh!
No, unlucky to Smith, knob.
Unlucky to Smith.
That's what I do. It's like my only trick.
Unlucky the one with the back peg.
No, front peg.
No, lucky's the other way around.
Yeah, I don't know. It's a very confusing trick.
Do it.
It's not, it actually works really well. No.
I'll do it. Better to bite the moon for water.
Oh, that was the ugliest bar.
Oh my god! No video. Oh my god, no! Oh my flip! So good.
Yeah, that was ease.
Why?
Deck don't feel pressure. Deck is a machine.
Wow.
Yep.
Oh, that's easier than I thought.
Ready?
Skirt, Daddy.
Yeah, that wasn't too bad.
Oh, no, no, no.
Yeah. Here, if I do seat yours, I'll take my scooter. Oh, I'm gonna. That's like 40. Yeah. Oh! That one on.
My balls landed on my frame.
Explain yourself.
Exposed.
Nay?
I'm going to do a flare.
Redhead exposed.
Well, ginger, actually.
You actually want to touch the flare?
No.
No, that's my thing. Not today.
How many lanes? How do you do that? 3 months back. Is it even open? Can you just do it? Even open? Yeah. Oh, come up, good. Big pot. I'll see you in a minute then.
Fuck here now. That was fucking gay. Okay, I got it. Why didn't I hold on?
Because Kaifo. Keep it on.
Oh!
You've done it. Keep your head.
Alright, check my. We're gonna vape up my car quick and then show you what it looks like when we open the doors, because
It's funny.
it's funny. You ain't gonna see us either. Like, we're gonna be like, alright. Yeah.
Because of Vape Nation life.
Yeah. We're gonna open the doors now and show you guys what it actually looks like.
Go, quick. I can't see you.
Still.
Oh, I can now. Yeah, now look at it.
We did it like a second ago, but when we opened the doors, someone opened the door earlier, so you couldn't see like any of it come out. But yeah, I'm gonna vape up the car, see what it looks like. Just check some clouds, bro. Checking clouds, bro.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Right. You still can't even see you properly. Still in the fucking boot. You can't see like fucking shit out the boot.
Well,
So that was successful.